Hi all, I am Arun. I am working as CEO of GSoft Payroll and Financial Flows Private Limited. The reason why we established is we have an intention to undertake the end-to-end payroll activities of companies. We started up with Indian companies, undertaking payroll activities of Indian companies and processing it through highly technological payroll platforms. So we undertake Indian payrolls and international payrolls also. So how we undertake Indian payroll is we have highly technological payroll processing platforms, and through that we process payrolls. So we have normal payroll processing, full and final settlement, HR portal, HR data updates, leave management, attendance management. For attendance management and employee self-service, we provide employee self-service portal, and we provide wide variety of reports, starting from PF report, PT report, labor report, and all other reports like salary statement, pay slips, and we automatically we have a single click payroll credit also. So we have we undertake payroll compliance activities of leading companies in India. Okay, so we have certain MNCs. We do payroll for Fortune 500 companies. So we have a fully automated payroll processing system, through which we process payroll. Before coming to entire process, I will tell you why a company need to outsource their payrolls. The main reason for outsourcing their payroll is cost reduction. Okay, how the cost will be reduced is by outsourcing the payroll to a third party. The HR operational cost will reduce to a maximum, maybe up to 1/2 to 1/3 they can save their money. Okay, so another reason is that we have dedicated resources for processing payrolls. Dedicated resources means they will be handling the end-to-end payroll activities, starting from payroll processing and managing your HR stuffs, like generating experience letter, offer letters, bonus letters, all those steps, and anything relating to recruitments, anything relating to payroll management and leave management, and if we establish an employee self-service portal, if the employee need to log into that and apply for leaves, before we can record that to our system to process the LOP. Okay, moreover, attendance, we will set before getting a payroll of a company, we will migrate the entire payroll details to our database, and from that database we will set the leave policies, HR policies, attendance policies, and any other policies related to the company. As per that rules and norms, attendance, leave, payroll will work. So like everybody is thinking that payroll is a simple stuff, so there is no need to outsource that, but it is a requirement for a company. Proper, there should be a recordable evidence. If you establish it as a company, you should, if you want to manage your payrolls professionally, it is better to outsource to a third party company. So that's why we established as a payroll software company, payroll outsourcing company. And regarding the software activities, we do have certain software activities also. We support for payroll, international payroll also. That is, we have a single payroll platform based on many countries. So we customize the payroll activities of companies for each country base. Suppose a company has different branches in different countries, we can undertake the payroll activities. Our software is compatible to undertake the payroll stuff as per the respective payroll compliance rules of the country. Okay. So we will customize it as per country base. So, but we have a centralized payroll activity based on different countries. So predominantly we do payroll for Indian companies and for abroad companies also we do, but we follow a single payroll, a centralized payroll platform with different customization as per country. So these are the, and we handle the payroll compliances also. We talk to the legal authorities. We interact with the legal authorities regarding your payroll compliances like PF, ESI, TDS, and professional tax. All those steps like labor welfare fund, and we have a set of professionals to undertake all those compliances. Okay, as a company we are processing payrolls for more than 20,000 employees. Okay, processing payrolls and compliance for more than 20,000 employees. So our employees are more comfort work with us because they have they are getting exposure from different big clients, and so they are getting more professional by doing each payroll activities, compliance activities, etc. So so we would be more happy to undertake more payroll activities of clients. Okay, we have we can undertake n number of employees. Our platform is capable for undertaking n number of employees. Okay, so after that I am coming to our other parts. We already have some established billing inventory softwares for our company. We are providing for supermarkets, medical stores also. So we have highly advanced and technological billing inventory system, and also we will be undertaking many more software projects. So many more projects are coming, they are on the way. So we have certain activities based on some of the payroll. We have some of the we use some sophisticated software solutions. We use some sophisticated software solutions to do the software activities. Like we are into areas such as content and learning management system, Android app, OCR solutions, image classifiers, document layout analysis, chatbots, NLP, objects detection and recognition, noise removal and image enhancement, data cleaning, modeling and prediction, custom dashboard with the data visualization, infographics and dynamic report generation, special data collection, processing and validation, cartography, etc. We have later some technologies we are using like PHP, Laravel, Python, Flask, Python, Django, WordPress, Drupal, React, JS, Vue.js, Node.js, HSP module, Opingo, QGIS, Gnode, GeoServer, OSM, Leaflet, OpenLayers, data analysis using satellites and UAV imageries. All those are I am reading because these are I'm not a person who belongs to software, so software means software technologies. So I am just reading out my brochure. Okay. So we have all those things, and plus we undertake international accounting and bookkeeping activities. We do international taxation activities. All those steps mainly for US, UK, uh, Australia, Canada. All those steps we do cross border taxation also. We do cross border taxation also. Okay. So that's it. I don't have much more to tell. So I will be coming up with another video. Okay. So we are developing our area of business. So as per that we will be coming to you in this way or in some other modern way. So you can shortly expect another video from me. Okay. Thank you.